I have heard about electrical officer who are earning $10,000 a month, even $12,000 a month, even higher than that on drilling ships. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This is Chief Engineer Praneet Mehta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant Navy Decoded. Many a times I get this question asked from young electrical officers when they come to know that they have joined Merchant Navy, but the salaries are going to be stagnant at a certain level, and they see that if you have become a marine engineer, then you will become a fourth, then third, then second, then chief, and over here you'll be electrical officer throughout life. So they say, sir, what is the process of becoming a fourth engineer? So guys, I will be sharing that procedure with you. So to be very honest guys, if you are an electrical officer on board ship and you want to become a fourth engineer, there is no such facility available in our DG shipping, that is in Government of India out here. You will have to go to UK, Singapore or New Zealand, apply over there, get your tar book, start filling it, go over there, give your exams, and that is how you can become a fourth engineer. That is the only way. But again, it costs a lot. Lots of money is involved. Not just that, another thing is, if you come with your UK COC of fourth engineer after a ETO, maybe your company might take you as a fourth engineer, your company might not take you as a fourth engineer. You already need to be in talks with your company before you commit your time, your efforts and your money in a different country to become a fourth engineer. Copy, this is very important. But question comes is कि sir, अब देखिए, you will be investing lakhs of money and again you will be starting from the scratch, I would say. The question is there a need, if you are electrical officer, to become a fourth engineer, to become a third engineer? No. Why? I'll tell you. I did my research on this. First thing, guys, please go for better shipping companies. Get out of your comfort zone. If you are a bulk carrier guy, go for a tanker, then go for LNG carriers, go for cruise ships, super yachts. Go for them where salary is much higher. There you can see growth. I have heard about electrical officer who are earning $10,000 a month, even $12,000 a month, even higher than that on drilling ships. So opportunities are higher. Why do you want to shift your profile from something that you are really good at or you enjoy doing just because you think money matters? So this is my advice to you. There are a lot of options. Only thing is you have to find them out. On the same path you can become successful, only you have to become persistent, hardworking, improving on your skill set and looking for better options, getting out of your comfort zone. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.